In this video, I'm going to share something with you that I think is going to revolutionize the online health and fitness coaching space. And it's the ability to accept FSA and HSA accounts as forms of payment for your online coaching services. Now, previously, this was only allowed for medical providers or clinical care. Now we're starting to see this is allowed online. And what this is going to allow is it's going to allow you to accept another form of payment that people already have. And honestly, they sometimes treat as monopoly money. Okay, so this could really do a lot of awesome things for your business. And I've seen clients use this and sign people that said no because they couldn't afford it previously. So in this video, I'm going to show you everything from start to finish of how to set this up, what an HSA and FSA account is, and how you can start using it to grow your coaching business. So let's go ahead and dive in. So the first thing you need to know is what is an FSA or HSA account? These are accounts at which people have money set aside for healthcare for qualified medical expenses, okay? And they are tax-free. Oftentimes, individuals may contribute to it, and also sometimes their employers can contribute to it. So a lot of people may have a couple $1,000s that are just sitting in FSA and HSA accounts that they're waiting for something to spend it on. And if you have an online coaching service that can help them with the problem they're experiencing, they can use this. This is huge. So let me show you the website and the company that's putting this all together. The company is called TrueMed, and we'll kind of just go through the website and I'm gonna go through the setup. I'm gonna have all this linked in the description below as well. So right off the top, access $150 billion in FSA and HSA funds with TrueMed. If you're a health and wellness business, you can accept customer HSA and FSA funds. TrueMed makes it possible even if you thought you didn't qualify. And all you have to do is push the get started button. Again, I'm also going to link this here, and you apply as the business. And what this company does is it will have your prospective client or customer fill out a form. And if that person qualifies, this company will write a letter of medical necessity, also known as an LMN. And this is what allows somebody to use their FSA or HSA accounts to pay for your services. Okay. So here's just some examples of businesses that have used this. So you can see that CrossFit, the DB dumbbell method. I'm guessing it looks like some actually workout equipment. I've seen people buy cold plunges, saunas, a bunch of stuff with their FSA, HSA once they had their letter of medical necessity written, okay? So this is a way that you can apply, your business can apply, and then when you're approved, you can then have your clients fill out their letter of medical necessity questionnaire. If they qualify, this company will write it for you. And the cool part is it's only $30 a client, okay? So if that's the difference between you getting a client versus not getting a client, that's huge, right? So you go through here, you see if you're eligible. If you are, they're gonna give you a TrueMed link that you would send to your clients. They're gonna then go through all of that stuff. And if they're approved, they now have funds that they can pay for your coaching program with. And it's very seamless. I've had lots of clients start using this, and I just had to make a YouTube video of it because it's so helpful and it's so powerful, okay? So again, truemed.com is where I'm gonna have it. And let me jump now into the Notion template that's also gonna be below that's gonna walk through the steps, step by step, okay? So I already shared all this stuff with you. It's just gonna come out to $30 per letter of medical necessity. And this lasts for an entire year. So if you're gonna work with someone for a year, they can use their HSA FSA card for that. And then at the end of the year, they can reapply to be reapproved. And the reason for that is letters of medical necessity only last 12 months. Okay, it has nothing to do with the service. That's just the norm. If you guys have ever had a pet, it's kind of similar like a pet, a letter of medical necessity to have a service animal, right? The same thing every single year, you're supposed to get a new one to provide to your landlords. So I'm gonna have this link below. Again, it's super simple. You can legit walk through each of the steps here. And the cool part that I really liked about this service was like, it's very laid out, it's very simple. You can get set up in a day, but also it gives you promotional material, okay? It legit says, copy and paste this email below to send to your clients. And this is just saying, hey, I'm now accepting FSA and HSA accounts, right? It gives you copy and paste emails to send to your email list if you've got an email list. And it also gives you some examples for how to post on social media to let people know. You guys could do this really quick, probably next week, launch it and start getting clients because, again, they see this as quote unquote monopoly money, right? So I'm gonna link all this below. This is a super short video, but I know this is gonna be a game changer for a lot of people. Again, I'll link both of this below. If you guys have any questions about this, hit me up, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.